Hi guys, welcome back to Carmia's Corner. Guess what popped up at my Michael's this week? And this was marked heavy and they weren't kidding. So when I got home, I waited, and I'll put a clip right here to show you how much this weighed. It was 30.5 pounds. So I'm guessing there's paper in here. I did take a little peek at the side and saw some notebooks. So let's have a look and see what's in this grab bag. Alright guys, the first item in our box is a 12-month planner, and it says July 2020 to June 2021. Now I don't mind having one of these because I can always use it for note-taking and make it into a junk journal. Regularly retails for $29.99, was on clearance for $6, so this basically paid for our box. Let's look at the pages. Looks really good. So it has the monthly overview, then the dailies, and then we have our tabs. I love the watercolor look to this planner, and I love that it has some sentiments, and then on the back it looks like we have some regular note pages. Not bad for our first item. Let's see what else is in here. Oh my gosh, hold on. Our next one, oh, I love it. This is beautiful. I love birds. This is definitely going to be a bird journal. Make yourself proud. Again, beautiful colors here. I can already see myself altering this planner and making it my own. Look at that. You can still use it even if it says July 2020. There are so many possibilities for this, especially if you're into junk journaling. And they have wonderful stickers. So that is so cool. So we have that one. Let's see what else we have. I see mint. We have a mint guided journal. $19.99 regularly priced. This is awesome. I'm gonna give this to my daughter. This is perfect. It's in bullet journal form. This is really beautiful. I love this. Wow. She is gonna love this. Oh my gosh. To-do list. You have a tracker, monthly goals. It's all laid out for you. How awesome is that? We have more. Let's see what else we have here. Oh, I love this. Dare to Dream. There is a little scuff there, but again, it's another guided journal. This is really beautiful. I love it. And this one's open, so there are no dates. You can make it and use it for any year. Really cool. So we have the mermaid look here. This has some damage, but again, still very much well kept inside. So you can definitely put a nice picture on top and make it your own. How cool is this? We have some dotted pages. That's really cool. And an elastic little closure. Let's see what else. A unicorn one. That's really cool. Oh, this is so awesome. For $20 regularly and a $5 grab bag. That is a great deal. And again, we have some silver foiling on the edges of the page. How awesome is that? We have a duplicate of our vertical planner. Okay, so this one, I can definitely use the cover for a junk journal. It's already been torn. So I can definitely use that. That's so cute. Oh, I didn't even notice there was a little pocket in the back. So stay tuned for a little upgrade or like makeover for this journal. Our next one is another vertical planner. Love the color and the gold. Let's see what this looks like. Again, it's 2020. And this is like an accordion kind of type envelope. So that's your blue one. A little wider than the others. And we have several of them. Wow. Super cool. Another one that's similar to our first one. Now this one, as you can see, is scuffed. Again, excited to alter this and make it into a junk journal. Look at that polka dot divider. We didn't really look well at the other dividers, but just to give you a look. I love that watercolor finish. Oh, how cool. I love this. I love the texture in this one. Let me just see. Wow, we have a lot of these planners. Again, different cover, but same interior from the other ones. Oh. We have another purple one. I am going to share this with some of my crafty friends. I know a friend of mine that her niece loves unicorns. Might be fun to have them start planning. It can be a great way to just start. Look at that, she can draw. My friend might even just want this for herself, so I'm gonna send that to her. Another one of these blue ones. So I am going to include some of these journals in my upcoming Rack Happy Mail giveaways, so stay tuned for that to find out how to join. It'll be super easy. But how cool is this? We have another one and yet another one here. Let's see what else we have. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. I love this. I love that Art Deco look. I am a big fan of the 1920s kind of look here. This kind of reminds me of that. That is really cool. It looks like mosaic tile. That's what the back looks like. It has my favorite color, teal blue. And inside we have those wonderful pages. Another beautiful one here with a bird. Completely intact, so that's really nice. I love that. And oh my goodness, guys, we have these ones that have more of that canvas finish. Another one. Okay. And three more. Three more of our planners here. Hope you guys enjoyed this Michael's Grab Box unboxing. Stay tuned for my Rack Mail Happy Mail giveaway. I will be including some of these 12-month planners, and I'll have several of them that I'll be sending off also to some crafty friends that I think will really enjoy altering and using these planners as notebooks. So thanks again for watching Karamia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.